How to Start Crypto Mining for Beginners 2024. Hi, my name is Erik Burton with ericburton.com. Let's go into my back office of a platform that helps you mine crypto, especially Bitcoin, in a DeFi contract status. And this is for beginners, okay? And it's for anyone who's interested in not having to go through the mining, situation that a lot of people do. You actually can use this platform's ability with what they call cryptocurrency nodes or Bitcoin nodes and supernodes. As you can see, we're in my back office here, and let me show you the contracts that I have actually gotten into, and you'll be able to see what they're earning every single day. Okay, now this is my last profit from this package of crypto and Bitcoin contracts that I've acquired, and I've only made 0.07% yesterday, which is fine. It's 15 contracts at $362 yesterday. And then here's an individual contract. Sometimes the contracts make a little bit more if you're in a 5-year contract, or a little bit less if you're in a 3-year, 36-month contract. These are all hybrid DeFi contracts, okay? And they're basically earning income off of the blockchain through nodes, and those Bitcoin nodes are actually responsible for collecting portions of or percentages of interest from, say for instance, credit card purchases that you make. Well, the merchant fees are the fees that they charge for performing those services. Well, that's the same here. Once people are sending Bitcoin to and from each other, or wherever they're sending it to, if they're purchasing, products with it, there is a merchant type fee. And that merchant fee in credit cards is normally around 3%, right? If you're in the space of earning income online, that's what merchant fees charge you. So you're getting a small percentage of that every time that they make a contract purchase or some type of transfer of Bitcoin on the blockchain. And as you can see, 105 a day, 0.19% is more along the lines of the 5-year and or the 7-year, as you can see, okay? Let's go to my overall platform review, and you'll be able to see that at this point, I have earned $213,000+. That goes up every single day. Profits from the actual staking portion is over 100,000 at this point. But also what I want to emphasize is my ability to help people and myself in the affiliate marketing space to earn referral commissions. You can see my referral commissions are actually more than my actual staking commissions. So if you're interested, okay, in doing something like this and or being a part of the platform in general, click on the link in the description below, and it's free to join. You just submit your email and then come in and actually submit your email and your password to join the platform, and you're in, and then you can go from there on understanding what's next, okay? So hopefully this quick review has helped you to understand that even for beginners or even people who have no idea about crypto, you don't have to buy a cryptocurrency and try to wait for it to go up to make profit. You can actually get into what we call DeFi hybrid mining staking, just like this. And, it's going to really help you to understand how to earn income for the future. So click on the link in the description below, and I will see you on the next video.